Okay, so this is a review of my red iguana hand. You guys, I had to buy one. I had to buy one. I just had to. So like when you open it, you're gonna have the instructions for taking care of it. You're gonna have a thank you note as well. So I'm just gonna say, in my opinion, this thing is so freaking cute. Like, I know I had read like some reviews and they were saying it's small or it's too small for them, but it's a decent size for me at least. Like, I feel like it works. It's a good size. Like, my hands aren't super big. I mean, they're a little big, but they're not big. So I feel like the hand is a great size. A great size. I haven't named her yet. Like, I'm gonna get along to naming her, but for now, she has no name. Now, these are the type of tips I'm choosing to use. These are some EC Basket coffin nail tips. I do feel like they fit down far enough that it should not be a problem too much. I know there's other hands on the market where they supposedly are deeper and they have like locks to them. I haven't tried it yet, but eventually, maybe when I get ready to upgrade, I will purchase one of those other hands. But for right now, this is good enough for me. And this is why I don't get why people were saying it's so small. Like, this is literally just about the size of my hand. So this red iguana hand also comes with a bracelet and a ring. When you purchase it, it's free of charge. It comes with it. It's like, it's part of the set. I don't know if it's listed when you purchase it, but it comes with it. And it's so cute. Like, I think it just brings it all together. Like, the aesthetic of it is it's so cute. Okay, so I also decided to show you guys my Monomer box, the company I get it from, because this is so cute. Like, usually it's not in a pink box. Like, I really just love the fact that it came in a pink box. Like, so adorable. So Nail Couture from Max Estrada is the company that I get my gel top coat from, and my monomer. The monomer is the cotton candy scented one. I know some people say they don't smell the cotton candy, but me personally, when I'm using it, I do smell the cotton candy. And this is the shiny gel top coat that I use. So if whenever you see me use a little pink top, that's what I'm using. So this is the bulk acrylic I chose to buy. It's the Young Nails Core Clear Acrylic. Next time when I purchase, I probably just purchase the Speed. When I first started out, I was using the Mia Secret Multi Balance Pink or the Clear, and then I would just mix it with color if I needed to.